said you were a thing.
Yeah.
Not here. And I only gave him 3/4 even from the commission.
No. But I do know about your financial issues. Lost ownership of your dojo.
Are you my friend? What's the catch then?
It's just you show them the error of their way.
Consider it done.
Hey man, excuse me? You took the last 2 steaks.
One is for a friend. But even if it weren't, I'm entitled to enjoy as many pieces as I lap you.
Hey, sorry about that. Excuse me 1 minute.
Sir, please don't do this.
One of us is about to have a lot more fun than the other. Two on one. Might actually get a good workout.
Work this out, motherfucker.